Hey friends, Gator Mom here. I hope you're having a fantastic weekend. Welcome back to another Slow Cooker Sunday. Today we are making Crockpot ravioli, or some like to call it Crockpot lasagna. All right, this one here is another big family favorite in our house, and it really couldn't be any easier, honestly. There's about 5 ingredients. You throw it in the slow cooker and then dinner is done in a couple of hours. So, like I said before, it's Crockpot ravioli. Some like to call it Crockpot lasagna. I've seen it named a couple of different ways, but basically what you're gonna need is your favorite ravioli, frozen, and then mozzarella cheese. I use pretty much this entire bag. This is a 2-cup bag. You probably could even do a little bit more if you'd like it extra cheesy. Now, I like to put in some type of ground meat with my sauce. This is one of our favorites. I usually just buy whatever is BOGO at the store. This happened to be this week, so we're going with that one. But I usually like to make a little bit of like a meat sauce before I layer everything in the crock pot. But if your family has picky eaters, you can totally leave out the meat and just layer with the sauce. You don't have to put any meat in it whatsoever. Or you can use ground beef. I'm using ground turkey. You can use ground chicken, whatever you want to use. I've even used sausage before. So this is one of those that you can really customize it to your family. But again, feel free to just leave the meat out altogether if you're like in a pinch and need something super fast. But I'm gonna layer everything up. Seasoning wise, I think we're just gonna do like salt and pepper. And then I think also I'm gonna do some oregano. Just kind of sprinkled there on top. You could also use Italian seasoning if you wanted to, but I think I'm just gonna go ahead and stick with the oregano. So I kind of decided last minute that I was going to add an onion into the mix. And so I just kind of really roughly chopped it and added it into the ground beef, or the ground turkey, sorry, that I was cooking. And then I'll add all of this to the sauce to go ahead and layer everything up. I thought I would briefly, as that's cooking, show you guys this little kitchen gadget. I shared it on Instagram, I think, but it's literally life-changing. It's my favorite thing ever in the kitchen. It's by Rachael Ray, and it's a food like scraper, I think it's called. I have it linked to my Amazon shop if you guys want to check it out, but like it's seriously the best for like scraping and moving all the vegetables.